Alright, Zach. Show them what you've been working on. Can you put the green one in the hole? Yay! Alright, let's do the next one. It's a hexagon. Put the yellow one in the yellow hole. Yay! Alright, let's put the purple one in. It's a square.
So close.
You're getting there. Go ahead, you can do it.
So close. So close. Oh.
You can do it. Put it in the hole.